Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to create a PDF with clickable links in Figma Interactive Export. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to share a PDF within your Figma projects? Whether it's a detailed case study, an important contract, or a beautifully designed brochure, sharing these documents can sometimes be a bit tricky. You might have faced the challenge that Figma doesn't natively support dragging and dropping a PDF directly into your design files. It seems like it should be a straightforward task, right? But it isn't. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple yet effective workaround that will allow you to embed a clickable link to your PDF right inside your Figma project. Best of all, you won't need to deal with any complicated plugins or coding. By the end of this video, you'll be able to offer seamless access to your PDF with just a click, making it perfect for prototypes, handoffs, or presentations. Let's dive right in. Picture this. You have your PDF file all ready to go. It might be sitting on your desktop or neatly organized in a folder. The first thing to understand is that Figma isn't designed to directly read PDF files. So, if you try to import one, you'll find that nothing really happens because Figma simply doesn't handle that type of file. But no worries, there's a great workaround, and it involves using a free online tool called Hazing Flipbooks. So, let's open up your web browser and navigate to a new tab. Type in Hazing Flipbooks. This website is going to be our bridge, connecting your PDF to your Figma design. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice an option to upload your PDF file. Click on that upload button and start uploading your PDF. Depending on the size of your PDF and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. So, if it seems like it's taking a bit longer than expected, don't worry, that's completely normal. Once your PDF finishes uploading, Hazing Flipbooks will process it and provide you with a unique link to your flipbook. This is where the magic happens. You're essentially transforming your offline PDF file into an online document that anyone can access. Just copy that link. Think of it as turning your document into a mini website that can be shared with anyone. Now, switch back to your Figma file. You'll need to decide where you want to place the clickable link within your design. It could be a piece of text, a shape, or perhaps a button where you want users to click to view the PDF. For instance, you could use labels like Download PDF or View Document. Once you've made your selection, look at the Figma toolbar above for the link icon. It resembles a chain. Click it, and a box will pop up prompting you to enter a URL. Paste your Hazing Flipbooks link right there. Congratulations, you've just connected your Figma project directly to your online PDF. I highly recommend giving this new link a quick test. Click the text or element to which you attach the link, and you should see your PDF pop open in a new browser tab, ready for viewing. It provides a smooth and effortless experience for your audience. They won't need to search for attachments or manage downloads. And that's how you can effectively create a feature that Figma doesn't technically support, in a way that's fast, free, and reliable. This trick is incredibly handy for client presentations or when you need to share additional documentation directly within your designs. If something doesn't work perfectly on the first try, don't stress. Double-check that the link is correct and ensure your PDF uploaded completely to Hazing Flipbooks. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create a PDF with clickable links in Figma Interactive Export, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.